We're going to do one last day. This unit, so we'll come back to parallel perpendicular. We're just going to have to mix in some other stuff. All right, so go ahead, give this one a try to start with. We got the equation of the line that goes through the point -110 and is perpendicular to y equals -1/3 x plus 5. Perpendicular, start with is -1/3. When it's perpendicular, we got to do the opposite reciprocal or the inverse reciprocal, changes, like flip it and change the sign, right? So if I've got -1/3, when we flip it, that becomes 3/1. It was negative, we changed it to positive. So, that's +3 for our slope. To get the y-intercept, we do y minus mx. Y value is 10. Slope's 3. X is -1. We got 10 minus -3. And this is where some of y'all were having a harder time with it yesterday. You got to do same change then. That becomes 10 plus 3, which gives us that 13. Okay? Or maybe not always, but like 99% of the time, they'll be listed in a clockwise. Angles. They're all do this. This one, we're looking for line AD. So line AD will be right there, like it's. But this just kind of helps us see. Two options. We can either find the slope for AB, it doesn't make a difference if done correctly. So I is down 3, 6 to 12 is up 6. So I don't have to do both like I just did. I was just showing you that either one is good. Okay. Any questions on that one? That's it. You can use either of those sides, and you should get the same thing either way, because it's just comparing the equations for the other two lines. All I need is the slope. Okay. I'll try that one. Little bit different. This one's asking for the equation of the line. Yeah. So we got y equals 1/3 x minus, I'm just going to leave it improper. Said don't make a difference. step is where it gets a little trickier. We're still doing y minus mx, same as any of the others. Got to use point C. Well, point C is not going to cooperate very well. So we got a -2 for the y minus 1/3 times 11. When we do 1/3 times 11, fraction times a whole number, we put the whole number over 1, apply straight across top, straight across bottom. So I've got -2 minus, that's going to make 11/3. When you subtract, you need a common denominator. So -2 becomes -6/3. And we got minus 11/3. Signs are the same, so we add. 6 plus 11 is 17. We keep it as a negative and denominator. So that's where the thirds comes from. Any questions on that? Okay. Often you'll see one like to it.